Hey, do you want to know what is Fiverr Revenue Card and how you can use it to withdraw money from Fiverr in Pakistan? If yes, keep watching this 20th video of free Fiverr series with Aisha Khalid on Ash Knows. First of all, what is Fiverr Revenue Card and how it works? Fiverr Revenue Card is a physical card supported by Payoneer and powered by MasterCard. You can use it like any other debit card. It is completely flexible and it makes it easy for you to withdraw your money within seconds anywhere in the world except India and Russia. Now, let's see how to get Fiverr Revenue Card in Pakistan. First of all, please note that in order to apply for Fiverr Revenue Card, you should have $30 in your Fiverr account. Once you have $30, follow these steps to get Fiverr Revenue Card in Pakistan. Step 1. Sign in to your Fiverr account. Step 2. Go to Earnings section on Fiverr dashboard. Step 3. Click Fiverr Revenue Card button. Step 4. Fiverr will ask you for phone verification to make sure that you are an authorized person requesting the card. You can verify your identity by SMS or call. Step 5. Once you have done the phone verification, Fiverr will send you an email having a click here link in it. Click this link. Step 6. When you click this link, you will be redirected to the Fiverr website. Here you will see a Get Started button. Click it. Step 7. After clicking this button, you will be redirected to the Payoneer website. Follow all the instructions mentioned there to create a new Payoneer account for your Fiverr Revenue Card. If you already have a Payoneer account, you can link it with your Fiverr account. I have made a separate video on this topic. The link is in description. You may watch that video. Step 8. Now, once you have successfully completed all the instructions, you have successfully ordered a Fiverr Revenue Card. Your card will be delivered to your mentioned shipping address in more than 30 days. Right? This is the time it takes for Fiverr Revenue Card to reach to your shipping address. Now, let's discuss Fiverr Revenue Card fees and charges in Pakistan. First of all, Fiverr Revenue Card takes $5 activation charges. This is one-time fee. The withdrawal fee is $1 per transaction. Yearly service fee is $30 and minimum withdrawal amount from Fiverr to Payoneer is $5. Please note, it usually takes 48 hours to get funds in your Fiverr Revenue Card once you have requested the payment on Fiverr. You have to pay $1 fee per transaction. But if you are in a hurry, you can pay $3 transaction fee to get access to your funds faster. Also note that Fiverr does not charge any other fee except the transaction processing fee. All the other charges that you have to pay come from Payoneer. So, hope you got all the idea and all the understanding about Fiverr Revenue Card. But if you still want to read in detail about this topic, you may read it on my blog ashknows.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the ring button. Take care. Allah Hafiz.